How does the current state of education meet the diverse needs of every student? It's a question that resonates in classrooms worldwide. The prevailing one-size-fits-all approach often fails to acknowledge the unique learning styles of our students, leaving many feeling unheard and unengaged. Teachers strive to personalize learning, but with limited resources and packed curriculums, this can be a daunting task. What if there's a way to address these issues and improve the educational landscape? Stay tuned as we delve into the transformative power of artificial intelligence in education. Enter artificial intelligence, a game changer in the world of education. It's not just an abstract concept anymore. It's real, it's here, and it's revolutionizing the way we think about education. Imagine a classroom where each student receives a personalized learning experience where the curriculum adapts to their strengths, weaknesses, and learning style. This isn't a dream, it's a reality in many schools today thanks to AI. Teachers, too, are reaping the benefits. AI is stepping in to assist with grading and administrative tasks, freeing up precious time for educators to do what they do best: teach. And let's not forget about inclusivity. A shining example of this is a school for special needs children in Boston. Here, AI tools have been utilized to tailor learning according to each child's needs, ensuring no one is left behind. Indeed, AI brings forth a new era of learning, making education more accessible and tailored for every student. But how can educators fully harness the power of AI? PPC AI Technologies has the answer. They host engaging and educational workshops designed for teachers, administrators, and everyone involved in education. These workshops span K-12, post-secondary, professional development, and adult education. The goal is not to sell you a product, but to equip you with the knowledge and skills to find and utilize AI tools that will benefit you and your students. These workshops offer a unique blend of theory and practice, with hands-on AI activities that allow you to experience the technology firsthand. The workshops also foster an inclusive learning environment that caters to all abilities and learning styles. And don't worry about packing a lunch. PPC AI Technologies takes care of that too, ensuring that you're fed both intellectually and physically. So why not take the leap into the future of education with PPC AI Technologies? The future of education is here, and it's powered by AI. Imagine the potential when every classroom, every institution embraces this revolution. PPC AI Technologies is ready to guide you on this journey. Book our engaging workshops or an introductory consultation to uncover the benefits of AI for your educational needs. You can reach us at 778-980-4635 or visit propixcanada.com. Step into the future, explore AI tools for education, and make learning a personalized journey for every student. Call PPC AI Technologies today. AI isn't just for the classroom, it's revolutionizing school administration too. Imagine an office where administrative tasks such as scheduling, inventory management, and record keeping are streamlined, freeing up time for staff to focus on what really matters: the students. Picture a district where AI tools analyze vast amounts of data to aid in decision-making, helping administrators to create policies that truly work for every student, even in the largest school districts. Envision a school community where AI-driven platforms improve communication between parents, teachers, and administrators, ensuring everyone is on the same page when it comes to a child's education. With AI, school administration becomes more efficient and effective, benefiting students, staff, and parents alike. It's not just a vision, it's a reality that PPC AI Technologies is ready to help you achieve. Don't wait, step into the future of education administration with us.